Hi guys, it's me, and I want to show you a slime. Okay, so I bought it a family dollar. So I was just it's just an orange. Okay, it's a pig. It's a yellow. Okay, and I bought it for a family dollar. Okay, so you could go to the family dollar and buy this. It's like $1 one of this. Okay, so it just smells like banana. So anyway, I managed to miss noise. If it's too cold. So anyway, so I made too much noise. Okay, this is the pig. Okay. That was smart. Oops. Anyway, I have a little bit of that. Okay. So, that's just pretty cool. This is like, I don't know if it's, I don't know what this smell like. This is an orange. This just smells like orange juice. It smells like orange. This one just better with that. And the nose, it kind of hard, but that's that. And that's what it's really easy. So, and I'll show you with that. So, see, because it's just cold. I happen to do it slow. If you do it fast or this, say this food. You have to do it slow. Like that. So you say, this is warmer. So say, this was fast. I don't know why this is so cold. This was warm. So you have to do it slow. It's kind of weird. That was it. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Yeah. So I think that's all. Okay. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. So I think that's all. So bye guys. Peace out.